Hello, my name is Heather, and I just received my Pampered Gardener box in the mail. I'm so excited to share the contents with you. And also, quick background of my story is we moved from an HOA into some land where we can have space for a garden, teaching our children how to live off the land, hopefully go completely organic, have our own little homestead here, and just take control of our health again and what goes in our bodies. So this is really exciting for me. Kind of just starting out too, so I'm a beginner. And immediately I open and I see these awesome pink gloves, which makes me super excited, although I have to hide them because my children will probably steal them. And let's give them a little try. All right, let's say hi. Oh, perfect fits. I love them. Love it, love it. My SNIPS for all the amazing things that I'm going to grow, which in the past I probably couldn't have said that because I'm not the biggest green thumb, but I'm going to get there. I have faith in myself. Boxes like this keep me going. Oh, fantastic. We have the lettuce bib, we have the radish, and also the pea snap, good for fall planting. The cute little logo, Kitchen Botanicals. Love it. Oh, the honeysuckle body lotion. I love it. Want to take a sniff? Oh, I love it. It's amazing. Plant and flower clips. I mean, you just can't get cuter than that. What's cuter than ladybugs? We have some goat's milk soap. As I'm looking at my goats back in the pasture, they don't do a whole lot for me. They just look pretty, but this is amazing because this was one of my goals to have one day. And it's from Floral City, Florida. Buy local. I love it. Smells amazing. We have the organic fertilizer granules, tomato and vegetable. Awesome! Oh, this will keep me safe from all those amazing mosquitoes out there. No mosquitoes gonna get me. Oh, and lastly, I get to kick back with my Good Health magazine. That's so exciting. I cannot wait to get my next one and keep learning and growing.